This is MSR's Elixir 2 backpacking tent.
As much or little as you want, and then you can roll it up and neatly stash it away.
So now we're going to talk about closed cell foam mattresses.
Hi, today I'm going to be talking about the Momentum DS harness by Black Diamond. This harness is an entry-level, all-around harness, good for indoor gym climbing, traditional climbing, and ice alpine. Now, the Momentum DS harness has multiple advantages over the Momentum harness. For one, it is more adjustable. The Momentum DS harness has two straps in the front instead of the Momentum harness having only one. This allows for more adjustability and a bigger variety of users, and allows you to grow with the harness. If you're a child, it allows you to grow into the harness more. Another benefit of this harness is that it has better padding than the Momentum harness. I haven't tried the Momentum harness, but from what I read, it does in fact make a difference. Aside from that, it's pretty standard. It has four gear loops and one haul loop in the back. The haul loop is generally for the chalk bag and accessories. Gear loops are if you're doing traditional climbing, and if you're doing, which most beginners won't really need that until they go outside. The gear loops are the same color as the belay loop, and the rest is just black. So now, before I teach you how to put the harness on, I'm gonna tell you a little trick that I've learned to help improve my time that it takes to get ready to climb. So this is a haul loop. It's on the back of the harness and it stays around the tailbone. And what it's used for, generally used for putting on chalk bags. This is a Black Diamond chalk bag and it has a little strap on the back. Now, to put it on, before I put the harness on, I attach the chalk bag. The reason I do this is because if I have the harness on already, it's way harder to accurately put the strap through the loop when it's behind my back. It's just a lot longer. Now, once I have that in place and I'm ready to put the harness on, I make sure that the belay loop, which is this blue thing, is in front of me. And I hold it out like this. So I hold it out, then I put the first leg through there, and the second leg through the second loop. While I'm doing this, I make sure that my straps are in front and not behind, because then I'm putting it on wrong. Now that I put it on the correct way, I've checked that both the straps are there. First thing I'll do is that I'll tighten this so that it's pretty much hugging my waist. Once I've done that, I'll tighten these to a comfortable tightness that isn't killing your legs, but it's just holding you there snug. Once you've done that, you have attached the harness and you're ready to climb. And just for reference, I'll show you what it looks like. So that's the chalk bag. It's hanging off near my tailbone. And these are the gear loops, and these are the harnesses. And you gotta make sure when you put it on that this does not flip. These leg holders don't flip, because if they do, you might not notice it because this is very elastic, but it could be a safety hazard. Thank you for watching our video on the Momentum DS harness by Black Diamond. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. We'll see you up top.